Good morning, Lincoln Mustangs. Miss Monist here with your morning announcements for Monday, February 10th, 2025. And as always, hoping to ignite in every Lincoln student the ability to realize and achieve their potential in a diverse global community. I want to remind everybody that the February Redbird AR Challenge that started last week will end on Wednesday, February 26th. And the free dress day for that will be February 28th. I know that we've had a few classes earn the free dress day already. Just want to keep putting it out there because February is going to go by fast. And speaking of February, for the first week of February, we have some hot chip winners. So this is a random drawing of students that were here on time every day last week, which was February 3rd through February 7th. So if I call your name, you may come on down to my office for some hot chips. I have Kamarion Cotton in first grade, Miss Madden's homeroom. Zorinthians Boyd in 8th grade. Justin Fawcett in 6th grade. Abu Mansour in 2nd grade, Miss Soa's class. Marnay Barnes in 7th grade. Dawn Trell Laxton in kindergarten, Miss Mitchell's class. Carlos Diaz Lopez, 4th grade, Miss Dryden's class. Halo Phillips in 3rd grade, Miss Caldwell's class. And last but not least, Nicole Bueno in 5th grade. Congratulations to our hot chip winners of the week. I also want to give a big shout out to Miss Gutierrez's kindergarten students. They had perfect attendance in their class on Friday, so that whole class can come out of uniform today. I want to show you guys some charts I've been looking at. I'll try to make it so that you can see it better. I'm going to just fold it. You know, Miss Monist loves looking at data. And so I thought it would be kind of cool to share some of the data that I've been looking at with you guys because, as I've been saying, IAR is coming up. And it is an important test because all the people outside of Lincoln, this is the data that they're going to see that is reflective of our students and our growth. So this data that I'm showing you here on this chart is from NWEA, the one that you guys took right before winter break. And if you look closely, you see some red and orange dots on there. Now, what you don't see are really any dots over here. These red dots indicate students that are way below where they should be. The orange dots indicate students that they're still below where they should be, but they're kind of approaching and making the right moves to get where they should be. So I show you this, guys, because I don't believe this data, because I know that I have more students over here on this side. This side would be students that are where they are exactly where they're supposed to be. And up here would be students that are above where they're supposed to be. And so our NWEA that we took, this is, sorry, I forgot to tell you, this is the reading. I don't know, guys. I don't know what happened. Did we not take our time? Did we rush through the test? I know that you guys know more than what this data is showing. And I feel like the same could be said for math. So I'll show you the math real quick. Math looks a little bit better because there's not as much in that bottom red square. So you can see there's only a little bit of red here and then some orange. So this is math NWA. This is our overall data as a school. So again, I show you this because I don't believe that that's where we are. We've got to remember that when we're taking these big, long, hard tests, that we persevere, we keep a growth mindset, and we try our best even when we're tired, even when we want to be done. We keep trying our best, okay? Okay. A few reminders. Yearbook Club will be meeting today at 3:15. They will need to go to Miss Lacey's room at dismissal, but remember that you can only stay if you have a permission slip, and you need to have a ride by 3:15. In the world of athletics, I'm pretty sure the varsity basketball team won their game on Saturday, which means they will be going to the tournament. So I'll keep you posted on details that relate to the tournament once I get them. All right, we have our Black History Mystery Trivia question for today. And if you notice, it's also on the sign outside our school. So not as detailed, but it is out there. Clues for today include, number 1, I was born in Cairo, Georgia in 1919. I attended UCLA, and I was the first athlete to earn letters in 4 different sports. Clue number 3, I joined the Brooklyn Dodgers and became the first African American in 50 plus years to play on a Major League Baseball team. My number for baseball was 42. I was inducted into the Baseball Hall of Fame in 1962. There's a lot of clues there. I lost count. Anyway, remember that your answers must be in the form of a complete sentence. They have to have your name on it and your teacher's name. I am kind of backed up on this. Miss Wade is going to help me catch up today. So if you haven't gotten any candy that you earned last week, please know that it is coming. On the lunch menu today, we are having barbecued pulled pork sandwiches, or you could choose a buffalo chicken salad with a dinner roll, seasoned sweet corn, sliced cucumbers, diced cinnamon pears, and of course, ice cold milk. Have some belated birthdays to announce because I missed the birthdays on Friday. So on Friday, which was February 7th, Thomas Amisi in 4th grade and A-Marie Hageson in 4th grade, so 2 4th graders, had a birthday. And then on Sunday, February 9th, Colby Johnson in 1st grade celebrated his birthday. Today, we have 1 Mustang with a birthday, and that is Janiah Cockrell in 5th grade. So happy birthday, Feliz Cumpleaños, to all of these Mustangs, and they may come down to my office to retrieve their birthday prize. But remember, if you don't have a pass, you can't leave the class. Here's our word of the day today. The word is summarize. Summarize means to condense or shorten key points of a passage or paragraph or story and make it into a concise statement or paragraph. So you're taking like something large and finding all the most important pieces or most important details and making it shorter or more brief. My example sentence is, after reading Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, I wrote an essay summarizing the main points of the story. So remember, if you can come and tell me or anybody else, any other assistant principals, doesn't have to be me. If you see Mr. Jackson in the hallway or Miss Nevitt, you can tell them too. You get 50 dojo points or 50 dojo points or 50 Mustang Market tickets, whichever one your teacher uses. And then the last thing I want to remind everybody of is that we are offering a free day buyout on this Friday, Valentine's Day, for $1. Students may come out of uniform, and the money earned will go to support the library and AR incentives. Also, don't forget that we do still have that Domino's PTO fundraiser going on. So if you guys clicked on the link that was sent to your families via my email and you order pizza, we as a school get part of the proceeds there. And that incentive or that fundraiser goes through February 18th. This has been Miss Monist with your Monday morning announcements, hoping you have a marvelous Monday.